Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and those of you who are new, very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Pratishtha, and today in this video I'm gonna do unboxing of these two different Boat AirDops. And just to be very precise, this is not a sponsored video because I don't have that much subscribers today. So please, if you want me to do a sponsored video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing as well as setting them up in both the Android as well as the Apple iPhone. So let's get started. So friends, I'll start the unboxing now and then tell you the features of both of these AirDops. The first one is Boat AirDops 281. The box contains an instruction manual, a case to put in the earplugs, and most important parts, two earplugs on which it's clearly mentioned which is the left earbud and which is the right earbud. And then there is a charging cable. Let me now show you how to activate and start using them. Put both these earbuds inside the case, just like this, and you can see the light starts to blink, which means they are on now and you can start using. This is the automatic way of activating them, but there's another manual way. Take both these earbuds out and press them together for 3 seconds. Simple. Once these AirDops are switched on, you need to connect them to your phone so as to start using. First, go to the setting of your phone and click on the Bluetooth to switch it on. You can then find the AirDops 281 in the list of other devices. Simply click on it and your AirDops are connected. You can either connect these to Android or an iPhone using the same method. Let me now tell you the basic feature of how to answer, disconnect or reject a call using these Boat AirDops 281. To answer an incoming call, simply tap on either of the earplug like this, and similarly to disconnect after talking, tap on it again. And if you want to reject an incoming call, simply press either of the earplug for 2 seconds. Now before moving to the other Boat AirDops, I'll tell you the most important feature of how to activate Siri or Google Assistants in your phone using earplugs. For this, after connecting to phone, you simply have to press any one of the earplug for 3 seconds and your Siri or Google Assistant is active. Friends, let's now do the unboxing of Boat AirDops 481 V2. It has an instruction manual, a case that has already fit in earplugs, like this, and along with it a charging cable. I already showed you how to pair the Boat AirDops in an iPhone. You can pair these also in the similar way to an Android phone. So in short, both these AirDops are equally good and have almost same features. Only major difference being that in AirDops 281 you have to take both of the earplugs out of the case to connect to the phone, whereas in AirDops 481 V2 you can connect to phone by taking any one of the earplug out of the case, and there is no need to take out both the earphones. If you need any further details regarding their features, you can write down in the comment box below and I'll try to answer your queries. Thanks for watching the video, friends. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications of the upcoming videos. Thank you.